Hey guys, today's episode we're going to be working on a nice old Honda, which is a little locked up. The guy just wants me to rebuild it. I think I'm going to go a little further. I'd like to make it pretty. The plastics are pretty faded, but that can all be fixed. Let's get to work. One of the most common issues with two-strokes is these carb boots here crack, and a lot of them blow up because of it, because the air isn't going through your carburetor, so it's not being compensated, so it's sucking extra air, making it run lean, and it locks up. Which is probably what happened to this one. Here's the fun part. Take off the cylinder and see what's messed up. Well, it's not good, but it's not terrible. This would be evidence of needle bearing coming apart from the rod. Cylinder actually doesn't look too bad. Probably can't really see down in there. Get my light real quick. Cylinder's not bad, looks almost stock actually. Bore that out a little bit, it'll be perfectly fine. But the bottom end, however, has to come apart. There's even a bunch of rod movement. It's not ovaled, but bearing's gone. Well, take it out and continue.